What up there, people? It's your boy, Day. Today's a little different. We're riding on the street, we're on the bobber, but for the first time, I'm actually about to ride with somebody. So right now, we're going to this little park. I've been here before. A lot of y'all probably not seen it, especially if you're a newer viewer. It's a baseball park. Gonna meet up there. So the person I'm riding with, they have a YouTube channel of their own. If they're recording today, I don't know. Indecent702, and they ride a Sur-Ron, and they're asking me questions about if I'm gonna build a battery with my Sur-Ron. I did want to do that, but that's probably gonna push that one back because I got some other projects, some off-camera projects I'm trying to do, and then I got a possible on-camera project that I'm thinking about doing, and it does have something to do with this bike. Here we are. So now I'm just gonna wait. I'm curious if Indecent's trying to do some project or whatever, because yeah, he was asking me about a 72-volt battery, one of the tips. Says he works with a CNC machine. That's kind of cool. Is that the man right there? Hey, I think that's the man right there. Hey, how you doing? Oh yeah. Pretty much. It's definitely a motorcycle. Besides that, you trying to I heard you asking questions about the battery. You trying to do like a 72-volt conversion with yours? I was debating on building one or buying a tri battery. Ah, probably better off building. You would pay a lot less. For buying your own batteries? Oh yeah, buying. So like this battery is a 72-volt 50.4 amp hour. It only cost me $1,572. Let's say I bought, you know, Electro & Co. I say I bought their battery, which is only 32 amp hours. This uses the same cells, the moly cells and all that. They want 2 Gs. Now they don't really sell that battery anymore. They sell other ones, and I'm not so sure if they're specific on the cells, but regardless, it's kind of like you're paying a lazy price tag because you don't feel like building the battery yourself. You pay like an extra $800, sometimes $1,000. So it takes long. It definitely took me a couple of days to get this thing done, especially with it being my first, but I do highly recommend. You should probably build your own. Actually, you know what? Because I'm seeing it. You got the shingle tires. I see everybody get those shingle tires. Out here in this desert dirt, does those grip good? Are they better than the stock?
Yeah, the stock I wore out in like 200 miles.
Damn.
I think I've already put another 300 miles in these.
Damn.
They're still good.
Yeah, they look good. All right, you wanna you trying to ride? You know any cool street spots, or you just wanna?
I don't know any street spots. I usually desert, but I'll follow you.
Oh, look at this kid. Getting the wheelies on. Definitely going the opposite way, but fuck it, no one's here, so whatever. I'm gonna probably stay in gear one when I during this drive because his joint is stock. Sheesh, it is nice out here too. I think it's like 73 degrees. Perfect weather. It's gonna start bumping up to 80s. So when that happen, I won't have to ride out here with my sweater or nothing. Hey, another Sur-Ron. That was the first time I seen another Sur-Ron driving by.
They're there every day. Like they'll be doing wheelies. I don't go where the cops caught on them.
Oh, yes.
By the high school down there, they're always doing wheelies and drifting in cars.
Oh damn! I've been down here a couple times. I've actually never seen that much Sur-Rons. This is probably like the 4th Sur-Ron I've seen ever.
Yeah, they got like 10, 15 of them over there.
Damn. Are we on this road? Yes, sir. Straight cruising, boy. I'm still trying to figure out what's rattling. Why is it making that noise?
That's definitely faster than way faster than mine.
Oh, this is only gear 1. I get this thing up to like 76 before. Yeah, this thing is stupid fast. So actually, speaking of power grids, so you trying to go like 60 volts or 72? You want more like range or more power?
72 volt.
I'm honestly trying to see what I want to do because I feel like I'd be super scared going like 70 on this thing. It's just so lightweight. So I'm trying to decide if I want to go rangy or just say fucking go with the power.
I feel like I can, if I get the right control, I can probably detune it.
Yeah.
And then
Oh yeah, that makes sense. So you trying to go with like a BAC or the KO joints, the KO setup?
I want KO, but that battery uses that.
Because yeah, I'm just not going to use that much power, so it's like, it's probably not necessary for me to spend the money. Hey, I think somebody likes our bikes. Man, the Mustang was staring. Looking back at this, I don't know about that stare. That stare looked malicious. Alright, so usually I'll go real far down here, but I'm not going to go too far, because obviously I've been down here on my Suron, but I don't know how old or new his Suron is. So he might have a smaller battery. He might have the 38 amp hour battery. So we're going to do this about halfway, because on my battery with the Suron, by the time I came back I only had 19%. And I think he lives out a little further than me, just a little higher up, so I don't want to have him walking his shit back home. Probably get to, I don't think the highway is too far away. We'll probably get there and then do a Yui. And if we still got some decent battery, I can show them my other loop. But we cruising right now, we big cruising. Done 5 miles so far. You know what? I'll probably do a Yui right at the next red light, which shouldn't be too much further up. Alright, usually I'll go further down, but I know because this can go real far, and we end up doing like 20 miles. So probably after the next red light, I'm gonna do a Yui, and then we go around the loop I always do, you see me do on my channel. God, this road gets pretty bumpy. Oh man, these bikes, they just never get old. It's too much fun. You know what I just thought about? Because I've been driving in gear 1 this whole time. I wonder how much miles can I do in gear 1. Because gear 1 can still give me some decent speed. Just giving it a little bit of throttle, doing 44. I think gear 1 can give you a max of like 50, 51 miles per hour. Just the idea, if I really had to go somewhere far, could I possibly achieve it by sticking to gear 1? Because if I am correct, gear 1 is only 75 amps, and I think that's 75 amps peak, not continuous. Sheesh, the traffic is heavy on this side. Nah, we gonna go straight. That's what we gonna do. We gonna go straight. I haven't been down this road in a minute. Change of plans. We're going somewhere else. This is that real nice long straight where it's nice and open. You can see the mountains to the right, and then we see some other shit on the left. I don't remember what's on the left. It might be just dirt fields, because I don't think there's much houses there. And I don't know what it is, man, but when these roads have these like turns like this, I don't just really like them. I don't know why I like these type of roads so much, but I just really enjoy them. Oh, you bitch. Oh, you whore. Yeah, 66, okay, this isn't too far down, so I'm thinking we can do a straight, and if we want to, we could do another Yui. Okay, it makes sense, homie. Yeah, look at that view. Look at it. I was trying to turn my eyes straight so y'all could see the view, and I'll crash into some shit. I gotta see this view on a nice cloudy day. You know, them big, thick, I forgot what type of clouds they call those. But it's not quite storm clouds. It's the big, puffy, real bright white clouds. Oh man, I couldn't imagine seeing those on one of these days. Over the mountains, that would be one beautiful ass view. Woo-hoo-hoo. I forgot that road gets a little rough. How much battery you still have?
60.
About 60?
There's good trails over here too. I haven't gone on them yet.
Yeah, I've been down these. So usually, if I'm correct, I've been on that high trail over there, and I went down there a little bit.
I was looking at all the mountain bike trails.
Go down that way. That's that big old empty dirt area that I see where all those bumpers are. So I've been on a couple of these trails. Those are pretty nice. But if you want, because you have your batteries getting low, you can go straight down, and then we can go your way, and then bam, we can end it that way.
Is that dead ends?
Yeah, that's a dead end. That leads to housing back. Yeah. Actually, I think that goes to the drought back there. I've been down there too. I always get scared to climb on the walls. Oh yeah, if you want, we can go straight down, and then we can take a left to home. So if you don't mind, I'll follow you. Yes, sir. Yeah, oh shit, I just realized we have done 10 miles. Damn, man, when we out here, the miles they just fly. You never pay attention to how much miles you do. Surround so quick. I'm also thinking about upping the gear ratio on my on this bobber. But I'm just trying to figure out, is it necessary? Because like, ooh, I forgot this game. Damn, that hurts. I'm trying to figure out, because like, I don't think the torque's bad, but more torque would be pretty damn fun. I'm not gonna lie. It'll be fun as hell. Hey, this was a cool drive though, I can't lie. Nice, chill, relaxed drive. It's nice out here. Man, if only they did nice like group rides that I could reach. The sad part about that is, more likely if they did a group ride out here in Vegas, it would be kind of further out than where I am. And my parents just sold the Expedition. So I would have no way to really carry my lighter weight bikes. I would have to drive down there. That'd take a lot of miles, and I wouldn't be able to hang with the group all that much. That's the one part that would suck about that. I actually almost been in a group ride before when I first got my Nan robot, the good old D6. But they said something about the ride. Like there was a Facebook page. We couldn't find it. Me and my brother, we could not find it at all. So it's like, damn, that kind of sucks.
Have you noticed no matter how fast you go in this thing, you're gonna pass it?
Yeah, that's why with this, I'm like, I really need power, because I need to have some passing power. Because if you're driving too slow, I guess people start driving kind of stupid. Oh, my turn signal's still on. I wasn't gonna wear my tinted lens. Good thing I did. This sun is all up in my face. Already turn around. I need to go back to this park, do some more grass riding. Oh shit, I'm on the opposite. Is that a Suron? I'm on the opposite road. Don't mind me. Don't mind me, buddy. Hey. Look at that thing. This is literally the most Surons I've ever seen. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, this is crazy. Huh?
Bro, did you build this yourself?
Yeah, it's built off an old Yamaha frame.
What the hell? Hold on. Oh, I got you, my friend.
Yeah, this is crazy. This is the most Surons I've ever seen.
You got it from Chai?
Huh?
Is that a Chai battery?
No, I built the battery myself. I was going to buy a paper one, but the cost was crazy. So I'm like, if I can do this, why can't I make my own battery? So,
Oh, that's electric?
yeah.
Oh, off of Yamaha. Huh? You built this shit off of Yamaha?
Off an old Yamaha frame.
Just like order parts?
Pretty much got the metal. I bought the frame off of eBay, so it's just the frame and a swing arm, and then everything else. I bought the gas tank off of eBay, bought some metal, chopped it up, all in my backyard, and then bam. Pretty much, yeah. I gotta see about summer heat though. I've gotten this up to, well, this app will say 73, but I was next to my parents and they said I was doing 76. So I'm like, damn. So for now, I'm gonna say 76 miles per hour.
72 volt?
Huh?
72 volt?
Yeah. Pushing about 290 amps max. So like 290 amps peak, 200 continuous. I just wanted to take this time to look at the small crowd that I have for listening to me talk about and looking at my bike right now. It just makes me feel like I need to start building bikes for people, like no joke.
Your back brakes good? Are your back brakes good?
Okay.
Here, I'll do mine.
Are they about to do some wheelies?
Yeah, he's good.
Then we about to get a little wheelie show going on, y'all. Hey. Bro, I be in the park in the grass down there trying to do wheelies. As soon as my front wheel goes up, I instantly get scared. That's crazy. That's sick as hell. Goodness, bro, that's some crazy ass. Hey, today has definitely been a different video. This has been the first time I've ever been around electric e-bikes. It's crazy. It's good as hell. I was just saying to the camera, I'm like, every time I lift my wheel up, I instantly get scared. I feel like I'm gonna just fly back, crack my head and shit. Alright, you about to head home? Alright, well, I should probably do the same. Alright, y'all. But today has been a different video. Let me see if he's gonna pull up. Nah, he gone. Alright, y'all. Well, that has been a fun little ride. If y'all enjoyed that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I might hit y'all with a long outro here. Ain't shit here. Yeah, we good. Hey, that was a nice long little ride right there. Chill dude. But that was a man, don't you know I'm in a motorcycle, my man? Do you think I ain't gonna lane skip, my man? Woo-wee. Do you think I ain't gonna lane skip, my man? Come on. Woo-wee. Yo, I'm driving on this road and I caught up to the Tesla man again. He had a big old smile. I think he liked the bike. Yeah, Tesla man had a big old smile on his face. Hey, you don't see a bike like this too often, you know what I mean? Alright, y'all. That was a nice little drive right there. That was kind of cool. Chill dude. But it's about time I end it here. I just wanted to come to this lovely view. You know, you can see the mountains. You can see the houses. You can see the more mountains. But with all that being said, it has been your boy. If y'all enjoyed this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. I do e-bikes. And I am out. Peace. Whack ass outro.